Hey loves, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I incorporate henna into my hair regimen for hair growth, thickness, and length retention. There are so many ways you can use henna for hair growth. You can use it as a gloss, a hair mask, as tea to spritz on your hair, or you can infuse it into your oils. Today, I'm going to show you how I use henna to make a super strengthening hair mask that works wonders for the hair. For this henna hair mask, I'm only using 3 ingredients, and the first one is lemon juice. I'm squeezing a few lemons to extract the juice and use it to form a paste with the henna. Lemon juice is naturally acidic, so it restores healthy pH levels and removes buildup of products and oils. In place of lemon juice, you can use either green tea or apple cider vinegar. The star of the show is definitely this Napor henna. Henna has amazing properties which help in promoting hair growth, repairs and strengthens your hair. It also conditions the hair and prevents dandruff. I'm eyeballing the amount and usually don't have a specific amount as it depends on your hair length and thickness. I'm also using hibiscus powder as henna on its own can be a bit drying, so hibiscus helps to moisturize the hair. I'll pour the lemon juice into the bowl bit by bit and mix. I like a creamy consistency for my treatment because it helps with controlling the mask. I'll keep mixing my henna treatment until it's completely smooth and there's no lumps of powder. Once it's creamy and just how I like it, I cover it and store it in a dark place overnight. Now it's time for application of the henna treatment to my hair. I already went ahead and shampooed my hair with black soap shampoo and Mizani scalp care shampoo. This helps to deeply cleanse and clarify your hair follicles. You can get it from Beauty Click Kenya, and the most exciting thing is that I now have a discount code that you can use to get a few coins off. It's very important to use gloves or else the henna will stain your hands and nails. I apply the treatment section by section from root to tip. There's no particular method to apply this. You can apply from back to front or vice versa or in twists. Just make sure that each strand is coated and penetrates into your hair. Then I wrap my hair with cling wrap and put a processing cap on top of it just for extra protection. I leave this henna treatment for 8 hours, and since it's a long time, I do several different things in between, like running my errands, etc. If you're unable to leave it for this long, then try it for 6 hours, as this is the recommended minimum time rate. Talk to me nice. 8 hours later, I'm rinsing out the henna with warm water and conditioner. You want to rinse it out thoroughly, and you can immediately tell that the henna treatment leaves the hair super strong, elastic, and healthy. While my hair is still damp, I then go in with a hydrating deep conditioner. Today I'm using my Ausi 3-minute Miracle Deep Conditioner. The final step is to style my hair into my favorite protective style. So guys, I'm putting you on henna. Please try it and let me know how it goes. That's it for my video today. Kindly do not leave without subscribing, liking this video, and commenting down below. And also check out my description box for my discount code for Beauty Click in case you want anything from them. Kindly check my discount code before it expires. Thank you so much. See you on the next one. Bye.